Okay, guys, yeah, it's your boy Sammy Crown, and today I will be teaching you how to import your file into Pixellab. And before we do that, I will beg us to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you very much. So, first, when we open our Pixellab, it's going to look exactly something like this. It's going to look like this. So and now we want to create, I'm just teaching you how to import a file into Pixellab. When I say file, I mean maybe your background, maybe your any of your elements you want to use, maybe the PNG file, anything you want to import from your gallery. So I'll be teaching you how to navigate through today, how to use that. So let's assume I'll be working with white background as my canvas. So my background is going to be white. So I don't know why I just like white so much. So white background. So now you can see at the very top of this of your phone right there. So you will see some sign on top. You see something like plus, something like floppy disk, there's a sign of save, you see a sign of share, you see a sign of quote, you see a sign of you see something like 3 dots, and then you see Pixellab, you see an arrow indicating back, you see an plus sign, you see a grid sign, and also layer sign. So the first thing, if you are going to import anything into your Pixellab, so what you do is to click on the plus sign now, because you are adding, so it's a plus sign. You click on the plus sign. So the plus signs will indicate some it's going to indicate some things to you. But what we want to do is to import a file from our gallery, so all we just have to do is to click on from gallery. We are clicking on from gallery, so it takes you to your gallery as a whole. So you have something like this. So it depends on where the file you want to import to your Pixellab is saved on your phone. So like now I have my whole phone. So let's assume I have maybe I have downloaded the file. So the file is going to be on the download folder. So all you just have to do is to locate your download here. Okay, you locate your download. So or you will not have to search for the item you want to import, maybe the background or whatsoever. So let's assume I'm importing this. Okay, now let's assume I'm importing like this kind of background into my Pixellab. So now you can see I already have it on my background. So now let's assume I still want to import other files. So all I still just have to do is to go back there, click on it, and then you still have it there. So all you just have to do is to keep now maybe what I'm looking for is not in this particular folder. Maybe it's not in this particular folder. So all I have to do again is to go back. Okay, now let me select one item from here. So but if what you are looking for is not also in the download, maybe it's another, all you just have to do is to click here and go back to your files, and click on where you have the item. Maybe now you have it in the Bluetooth. So all you just have to do is to click your Bluetooth and then start looking for the item also. So to look for, and if what you are looking for is not there, but one most important thing is that you already know where your elements or the particular file you need is actually located in your device on your phone, so to help you navigate through so very fast and to plan it more better. So now I have it here, and all I just have to do is to locate the file that I want to import, and then select. Okay, now let me just look for a file. I don't know why I'm tracing like I have something in mind actually, but I don't have. Okay, let's assume that this is a lady, so I have import. This is the first place it's going to take you to, and this place try to help you in case maybe you want to crop the file before importing, so you can easily crop here. You can easily crop here before you add to your file. But if you are not doing that, okay, it doesn't really matter. So all you just have to do, but here is to, allow you edit before, maybe you want to side like this, up like this, or something like that. So, or you want to have it like this or like this. So it doesn't really matter. So that is where you just have to work on. So maybe you want to turn it all around like this. So now you have your file. So you have your file. So I think that is how you just keep adding and adding and adding on your design. So I guess you already know how to add or input your file into your Pixellab as you continue your project or your design. I believe this video has been able to help you. So why not drop your comment on the comment sections? Maybe you have a question to ask, or you have an observation, and I believe the video has been able to help. So thank you very much. I